Hey guys, today I'm going to be going bowling. Sorry about if I'm very quiet because this is going to be like very loud, so you guys might not hear me that well. But I'm going to capture some clips, okay, so let's get into this. Just so you guys know, my brother and my mom were recording this video, and if you hear any weird noises or dumb noises, it's my brother. You guys know I'm very bad at bowling. Go. Stop! No!
Let me just see what they can.
Maybe you should stand on the other side.
Me covering up my brother's This is me covering up my brother's noises. You guys know what I'm doing, okay?
Yep.
Oh, she may actually hit it. Whoa.
Savannah, you want to show? Nice.
Oh, damn, you tricked me. Oh. Ah.
Come on. Not bad. Oh, please hang in there. Come on, come on.
Oh, look at that. Nice. Go.
Really? It's been there. See, look, that's the one next to us. They 17 and 18, they just say wow. 19 just goes on.
Okay guys, Guys, I finished. My parents and me and my brother finished bowling after an hour, and now I'm going home, and I'm going to have dinner.
Was it like
So,
obvious that it wasn't a random chair, but a piece of artwork?
Yeah.